Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, we've been talking about this for a while, but I still think there's two options on the dollar yen monthly. Option number one is this is an ABC crescent to the last 5 waves up. It's going to end up making 3 waves down and then continuing the uptrend at a Fibonacci retracement level of this move right here. Option number two is that this right here really is a wave 5. Instead of making an ABC, it's going to stretch out into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and go down and take out this low. For me, I don't really care what it is because it's exactly the same trading strategy until you get to about that point right there. So at this point, we don't need to bother ourselves trying to figure it out. Going down to the weekly time frame, it looks like this is a wave A, looks like this is a wave B. It's starting to look more and more convincing that maybe we're already heading down for a wave C of this correction, or a 1, 2, 3, like I was explaining on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the reason why I think this could be over is because I think this is a possible expanding flat. I think this is the A, and then 3 waves up for A, 3 waves down for B, and then a nice 5 wave move to the upside for the C. We have a lower low wave B and a higher high wave C, which is why I think this is possibly an expanding flat, and this is possibly already going down for that wave C, or maybe even a wave 3. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I we technically don't really have that breaker structure yet, but it is like right at structure. Honestly, if it does reject this structure, you could probably take it as a long and see what happens. But normally the rule of thumb is if it closes below the 78%, then it probably is going to end up taking out structure. So at this point, even though it's not broken yet, and even though it might end up going up, it probably is going to end up breaking structure when it's ready, proving to us that we should definitely be looking for shorts in a downtrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, technically it hasn't broke. And if you do see like some sort of a double bottom and a breaker starts to the upside, you definitely still could take it as a long and hopefully learn and earn whether it really is going to keep on going up or not. But like I said, more often than not, when it breaks the 78%, it will end up pulling back eventually. But normally when it breaks to 78%, then this is a reversal, and it probably will end up going down, and it probably will end up breaking structure, proving that the wave B on the higher time frame is likely over, and that we're likely now in a wave C, or proving that the wave 2 is over, and we're now likely in a wave 3, like I was explaining on like the weekly and monthly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.